Let me show you how to transfer all data such as pictures, images, contacts, settings, accounts and stuff like that from your old device to your new Samsung Galaxy S25 or the S25 Ultra. So first let's go on the old device. So if you already have a Samsung phone, this will be actually very easy. So we are going to go in the settings and click on the accounts and backup, and basically click over here, transfer date for device setup, and we'll open this Samsung Smart Switch. So again, if you do not have Samsung phone, you can simply go to your Play Store and download this software called Samsung Smart Switch Mobile. So it will look the same and will do the same jobs that I'm going to show you. So then let's click send from this phone over here. Okay, cable, I'll leave the side a bit. Then again on your new S25, click settings over here and let's do the same. So accounts and backups, transfer that. Okay, and receive on this phone. So select Galaxy or Android. So again, we can transfer from any Android. By the way, on my channel I also have a guide for iPhones if you need that. So let's click that. Let's click cable, for example. But again, you can also use wireless as well, but wireless obviously won't be as fast. Then simply we are going to connect both together using Type-C. So, and in a short moment you should see this pop up basically. Okay, let's allow it over here, connect, and we'll start to search for dates that you can actually transfer over. Simply wait, and then we can either transfer everything or just accounts, messages, or also we can click custom and actually choose the stuff that we actually basically want to transfer. So we can choose maybe messages or like images, videos and stuff like that. So simply select which stuff you want to transfer if you do not want to transfer everything over. Then let's click transfer, and as you see, it's actually pretty darn fast. So simply wait a bit. Okay, and after done, you will see windows like this that it's done. So yep, we can essentially disconnect both and everything essentially is ready. In a moment also, basically you'll see data transfer complete, and you'll see what has been transferred and basically what stuff. So again, we can click next and it's all done. So you should have all your info on this new S25. So again, it's like super simple, and yeah, I think Samsung has done a really good job when it comes transferring data from old phone to the new phone. Absolutely great. Anyway, good luck.